I think the biggest challenge is a budget, realizing exactly what you're getting for a budget and what design that you have, and the client being informed or misinformed, which is a lot of the case. So we do an open book tender, we look at ethics, sourcing and local communities. Some people believe that buying things further afield, in Asia or whatever, and bringing into Europe is more economical way of doing things. For us, we then look at it plus. Items that come further afield ultimately need to be warehoused. What we like to do for our clients is show this is what this item will cost this from this area, this is the quality of what you will get, this is their financial standing, and this is how the item is constructed. So you can see the difference. And ultimately, what the item costs when it is then put into a hotel, then we'll understand which is the correct route to do it. Sustainability is also buying quality, because quality in itself is sustainable because it has longevity, and that is what a lot of people are not looking for. For us, it is very, very important. So yes, we're looking at it ethically. How is this being produced? Are the people being paid fairly for what they're doing compared to the other parts of the market? And is the product going to last? So we did the Ritz in Paris. There was a lot of that property that was restored and renovated, so hugely sustainable. These are items that were in there 15, 20 years, and all we needed to do was to renovate those to put them back in, not going and spending a huge amount of money to buy new. So again, there's different ways to look at it. I know everyone looks at it in a very modern way, but there's a kind of a traditional way of looking at it. Buying quality in itself has longevity, and therefore it ages gracefully, and therefore that is what luxury, true luxury hotels have in them. I've got some incredible clients, and when a client then understands that what we've brought to them, which is actually how to truly buy luxury, we're not about markups. That is another thing, a big sort of taboo in our industry. There's always some rebate going here, a rebate going there. We don't work on that principle because we want a client to understand, to buy this, this is truly what it is, and so therefore they're marveled that in fact their hotel didn't cost the earth that everyone would have thought it did. Well, as you know, it's my first time, and I loved the intimacy, personally. I go to other events, and they tend to be very big, and you can get lost in it. So sitting around the table, chatting and meeting people on small, some of the tables were maximum 8, really, really did appreciate that. And I really appreciate listening to the talks and the panelists as well, the little Q&As. And so I think it's really informative in that way. So for me, it was really lovely.